Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Ensure the Oppo A31 is charged to 50% or more and remove SIM and micro SD to avoid accidental wipes. Hold power and volume down together. You should feel a vibration and see the boot logo. If that combo does not present recovery, power off, then hold power and volume up instead. Once in recovery, use volume keys to move and power to select. If buttons still fail, connect to a PC and prepare ADB for the next step. Once you see the recovery menu, navigate with volume keys and press power to choose recovery or English if language prompts appear. Inspect options. Reboot system, wipe data/factory reset, apply update. You should only pick wipe if other fixes fail. Wiping removes user data. If menus look frozen, connect to a PC and run a DB reboot recovery to force the mode properly. Make sure you understand each selection. Selecting Apply Update from ADB requires a prepared update file on your computer. To finish, choose Reboot System now and wait. The first boot after recovery actions can take several minutes. If the phone remains in a boot loop, return to recovery and perform a factory reset only if you backed up important data. For persistent corruption, reinstall stock firmware using the appropriate Oppo flashing tool and the exact A31 package. If things go wrong, collect ADB logs, confirm firmware model matches your device, and avoid mismatched blobs. Wrong firmware causes hard bricks, so double-check before flashing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.